corner of my eye, I saw a pretty little thing approaching me. She said, I never seen a man who looks so all alone. Could you use a little company?
All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for the morning announcements. Just in case those of you who haven't been paying attention, today is Wednesday.
You can still kiss a senior goodbye. 1 kiss for 3 dirhams, 2 kisses for 5 dirhams, both with chocolate. They're selling this week by the Junior Cabinet.
Okay, this is the last opportunity for CAS hours. If you want CAS hours, you should go talk to Miss O'Reilly, because she has CAS hours this weekend for track and field. You should do something about that.
Also, Season 2 and Season 3 awards ceremonies will be Tuesday the 30th from 4:30 to 6:30 in the auditorium. If you were in any of the MESAC or ECC teams, please attend. Bring your parents. It'll be awesome.
It is actually a spectacular event. I encourage you to go. Don't forget to pay it forward. Do something nice for somebody today. And when you do, pass along the bracelet that you got at the assembly the other day.
Sophomore Cabinet is having Super Smoothie Sundays and Thursdays, as well as Timbit Tuesdays throughout April in the morning before school. Come get your smoothies and Timbits.
Today is the last day to buy prom tickets. The costs are as follows, just to be clear. Singles, 350 dirhams. Couples, 600 dirhams. Roses, 10 dirhams extra. You and a buddy, male or female, can go as a couple to make sure that you get a cheaper ticket. It's totally legit.
Sweet. Juniors, it's a reminder that your teacher letter of recommendation agreement form due to the counseling office by the 18th. That's coming up kind of quickly.
Also, today, during morning break, the creators of the acclaimed comic book Kill Shakespeare are coming to DAA to do a reading. All students are invited. Meet in the auditorium. Make sure you are seated by 9:30. It's an awesome combination of fables, the League of Extraordinary Gentlemen, the Lord of the Rings, and, that's right, the works of Shakespeare. It's an adventure. It's cool. I'm telling you, I read it. I thought it was awesome. You should go do this. Okay, one more thing here, guys. Jana Shakashir totally failed to format the movie she wanted for me to show you in an appropriate and useful format, so I can't show it to you. So please, click on the YouTube link. This is really a big deal, okay? I'm telling you, Jana has a great project running, and you should all participate. Make sure you click on the following YouTube link. And this just in.
There are no food deliveries for lunch for students. Students have to eat cafeteria food or bring their own lunch or starve. If Ms. Brummer sees you with ordered food, she will be taking it and sharing it with Mr. Schaffner for lunch.
Schaffner likes shawarma and Chinese food, just for the record. And I believe that's all we have for today. I'm Mr. Sprads. I'm Batman. And we will see you soon.
She said, oh, there ain't no rest for the wicked. Money don't grow on trees. I got bills to pay, I got mouths to feed. There ain't nothing in this world for free. I know I can't slow down, I can't hold back, though you know I wish I could. I know there ain't no rest for the wicked until we close our eyes.